under section 328, which is providing narcotics to Scarlett. He has been convicted for 10 years rigorous imprisonment. Under section 354 of assaulting her, he has been convicted for 5 years of rigorous imprisonment. Under section 304, is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. He has been convicted for 10 years rigorous imprisonment. Under section 201, which is the destruction of evidence, he has been convicted to 2 years rigorous imprisonment. Under section 8(2) of the Goa Children's Act, he has been convicted for 3 years of rigorous imprisonment. And these sentences will run concurrently, which means that he will suffer 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. And if he fails to pay that fine, he may suffer another 3 years of simple imprisonment. They had moved an application for suspension of sentence for a few weeks until they can prepare an appeal. But the Honorable Court was not inclined to grant that application, and they have committed him to the trial court, which is the Children's Court, to be further sent to the prison straight away.